Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair dropped 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.7% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 2.4% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair dove 3.6% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Global oil demand is set to rise by 1.9 million barrels per day in 2023 to a record 101.7 million barrels per day, with nearly half the gain coming from China following the lifting of its COVID restrictions. Europe imposed a ban on Russian diesel fuel and other refined oil products, slashing energy dependency on Moscow and seeking to further crimp the Kremlin's fossil fuel earnings as punishment for invading Ukraine. Australia is removing the British monarchy from its banknotes. The nation's central bank said its new $5 bill would feature an indigenous design rather than an image of King Charles III.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's factory orders will be released at 0700 hours GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales at 1000 hours GMT. Australia's AIG Performance of Construction Index at 2130 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1630 GMT. Japan's overall household spending at 2330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.